Almost all outdoor furniture from IKEA is named after what? Almost all outdoor furniture from IKEA is named after what? And here is the option for the answer. Scandinavian islands, Danish and Swedish town, herbs, fruits and berries, shipping and nautical terms. And from these four options, there is one correct answer. So try to guess which one is the correct answer for the question. And the answer for the question is Scandinavian islands. So that's the answer, Scandinavian island. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.